this in a few moments of applause as we show our support to the people of Ukraine.
Both teams and the crowds here clapping to show support for those people in Ukraine. Sends it down towards Josh Martin, but it's recycled by Jameson. Martin not able to clear it, it's fallen, shot, and there's the first goal of this game. Sam Talbot taking an opportunity, Bees not clearing their own line. I think it was Josh Martin just a little bit unlucky. We see it on the replay. There. And Sam Talbot comes in, thank you very much. Top shelf. Bradley to goodbye. Now Bradley to goodbye. To Stead to goodbye. Goodbye takes a shot and it gets through. Bees tie this one up. They took their time, they changed their formation, they moved round slightly more to an umbrella with Dominic Goodbye at the top. We'll just have a look at that on the replay. So here we see Dominic Goodbye. It goes down to Stead. Stead straight back up to Goodbye. Goodbye just takes a quick shot and gets it in the top corner, just beating Matty Smittle. Chasing Harvey Stead down. Stead tries to go backhand. He goes lucky enough, gets it to Lindgren, who gets it to Rosbottom. Out to Goodbye. Goodbye looking for a shot and he scores! Dominic Goodbye, 2 goals already in this period, and the Bees are going 2-1 up. And good work from the 2 young players, to be fair. I don't know if we'll see it on the replay, but just before Lindgren gets it to Rosbottom, Rosbottom chips it to the outside, and then we see a quick wrist shot there from Dominic Goodbye to beat Matt Smittle to go 2-1 up in this game. Now it's on the stick of Liam Stewart. What has he got to offer? And well, Chamberlain hits a quick shot. Dangerous at the moment. And there we go. Backhand shot from Liam Stewart ties up the game. Beats Adam Goss through the 5-hole. We'll have a quick look on the replay. But he's always dangerous, leaving him too much time and space. Adam Goss has been very strong tonight. Here we see Liam Stewart with a backhand shot. Actually, it was straight over his pad. Oh, he's nearly gone round. Oh, Matty Smittle. Smittle just goes to draw at the last minute. I thought he was going to take a cheeky one round. Anyway, Mogg comes out. Goodbye, Smith and Mogg for the Bees. And we got Chamberlain out there, Cowley and Jameson. Lightning in control. Sean Norris just dispossessed. Puck up to Mogg. Mogg goes forward, goes to the outside. Oh, it's end-to-end stuff right now. This is what happens when you're in 3-on-3. Oh, nice play by Jameson. Drew the man, found Chamberlain back door. There's the goal. It was end-to-end. It's always going to be end-to-end. Just have a look on the replay. 2-on-1, Dominic Goodbye trying to get back to Chamberlain, but a nice pass